Hello guys, good day to all Brera and 159 fans. DVM is an add-on for your Alfa Romeo 159 or Brera that will add more features and make you feel even more comfortable in your beloved Alfa. A color display that visualizes all the important things. Unlike the original, this one makes the car look modern and gives a few extra features. My name is Risto, the main designer and creator of DVM, and in short, I will demonstrate its quick installation. Plug the white plug into the display. Step 1. We pull the steering wheel and lower it to the lowest position. At the bottom of the cluster there is a protruding part on which the bottom of the DVM will rest, and above there is a niche into which the upper end of the case must fit. Step 2. We tuck the upper part at an angle and center between the clocks. Step 3. We center well and press the lower edge to go on the soft part of the board. It fits well and there are no vibrations or noises. Step 4. Route the cable to the display in the way that works best for you. Step 5. Put the steering wheel back in place. Step 6. Using a MACMAN tool extension cord or splitter cord, plug the DVM module into the OBD2 connector. Great day from the MACMAN Pro team.